To access your courseware through Aztec software, you will enter your unique username and password that has been given to you by your instructor. Once you log on to Aztec software, you will then, from the dashboard, select View Classrooms. Here you will see all the classes that are available for you to study that have been assigned by your teacher. You will select the appropriate course that your teacher has instructed you to work on. From the classroom menu, you will then select Learning Plan. From here, you will see all of the activities listed that your teacher has assigned. That does not mean you have to study all of them at one time. Please discuss with your instructor which they want you to study first. You will hit the plus symbol beside the class to reveal all units of study for that specific class. You will then have to select the plus symbol beside each unit to reveal all the lessons that are in that unit. You will start from the top and then work your way down. Under each unit, you will see a series of lessons. The lessons are divided between a lesson and then a drill. For each lesson, there is a drill that goes along with it. You will take the pretest for each unit first. You will select the pretest to begin. If you score an 80% or above, the lesson will be waived and this circle will turn blue. You can still work through the lessons and drills even if you scored above 80% if you desire. You must complete the lesson first by clicking on the hyperlink to open and load the lesson.
In this lesson, you will learn how to comprehend explicit details and main ideas.
Once you complete the lesson, the circle will turn green. From the lesson, you will move to the right of the menu and select to complete the drill. The drill is a series of 10 questions checking your understanding of the lesson that you just worked through. You will repeat the process of taking the lesson and the drill, working your way through the lesson until you reach the post-test at the end. Once you complete the post-test and score an 80%, you can then move on to the next lesson. You will do the same by clicking the plus symbol, completing the pretest, and then going through the lessons and the drills. Once you have completed all of the lessons, you will take the unit post-test, which is at the very end of the course. Once you have done that, then you can let your instructor know that you are ready for a practice test. When you are ready to exit Aztec, you will select the logout button that is in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Once you log out, your work will be saved for the day, and then you will be able to log back in at your next selected time.